Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. We have caught Quilava quite an hour earlier, and time for Venusaur, guys. Super boss is 16 to 20. There's a Wobbuffet over there. There's a Hoppip. Let us try to just obtain that Wobbuffet. Wobbuffet! Wobbuffet. Let's switch to a faster killing Pokemon. Killing spree. No, I don't play whatever game that is. Is it Mobile Legends still? And another unknown, guys. Unknown letter G. That's a G, right? I haven't completed the first batch of unknowns. I haven't completed every Vivillon. I don't have a Basculin Red, I think. There are quite a couple of Pokemon that I've missed, so my Pokedex isn't complete. Hoppip, your turn. Not sure if this is Hoppip, but I hope so. Skip Lumen Jump la. Are the minions, guys, of Hoppip. I love Earthquake. It's so fast with Snappy. But without Snappy, it's super slow. Oddish. Do I have Oddish already? Come on, Oddish. Make me catch you. Oh my gosh, Earthquake is super strong. Come on, Oddish. Oddish. Let me catch you. Don't let me kill Hoppip. Ah, they're not letting me catch them. Goodbye. Okay, guys. Let's move to the main part of this video, which is Super Bosses 16 to 20. Discard. No, not the unknown. I'm collecting unknowns. And with that said, let's switch to Pokemon from the sea. Do I have a Flamethrower? Give him a Fire Move Plus. Give him a Charge Boost. Give him a Hurricane Gear. And we battle. And I shall charge and you shall fall. You're still alive. And you're dead. Super boss number 17 is a Tyranitar. And he's weak to... Oh no. Oh no. Just one. Give me someone with more... Never mind. That's just... You're a weak Bulbasaur. You're a weak Bulbasaur. Okay, goodbye. He's using Giga Impact right now. You have no chance of winning. Bulbasaur might be weak, but my summon gear is strong. And with that said, Super Boss 19, is it 19 or 18? Is up next. 18, guys. Is a Suicune, another legendary. A while ago it was Entei at 8. Now it's Suicune at 18. And still weak to Seed Bomb. Any other weakness? Nothing with 2 slots, which is sad. Let's give him a Leaf Blade gear. Switch. Battle. Break through the defense with charge move. No, I don't have to do that. Perfect timing. Goodbye. Charizard, Super Boss 19. Let's switch Pokemon, switching to good 2 slots. Rampardos. Weak to Rock type, so let's give him a Head Smash gear. Killing all those Charmeleons at once. Charging this. Yeah, feel free to hit me. I shall destroy you in a few. Goodbye. And with that said, Super Boss number 19 is dead. Time for the last Super Boss of this video, guys. This is Super Boss number 20. Another legendary. Or is this mythical? I'm not sure. Hey there, it's Kali from the Adventures Club. Thanks so much for your help with the research at Charizard C Part 2. Or repeat, because we already have Charizard C before. Thanks to your research into the state of Pokemon habitats, a Charizard C is nearing completion. SPL Gum, even though Celebi is a tough customer, I believe you've got what it takes to achieve our research goals for that particular Pokemon. Celebi is weak to Fire type. We just give him Charge Boost. Hurricane Gear works perfectly. And I think if he's weak to Ghost, we give him a Ghost type. What else are you weak to? First Impression. Awesome. Goodbye. Well, not really, but you're charging towards me immediately. Will I hit you? Oh my gosh, so many messages from this person. I wanna kill you with a summon gear. Goodbye, Celebi. What, you took down Celebi, and that just about wraps up our research on Charizard C. SPL Gum, it's all thanks to the cooperation of you and your fellow adventurers on behalf of the Adventures Club. I'd like to express my gratitude. And there you have it, guys. Super Bosses number 16 to 20. I shall see you in the next video with Super Boss number 21. Thank you for watching. Give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't.